Today we're making chawl, aka rice. For this recipe you need 200 grams of basmati rice, 1 large onion which you need to dice, 80 grams of peas, these can be frozen, 30 grams of fresh coriander, 1 teaspoon of salt, 40 grams of ginger which you need to cut up really finely, half a teaspoon of whole black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 bay leaves, and 2 glasses of water, so it should be double the amount of rice that you're using. This is the ratio for chawl. You should always remember it's 1 to 2 rice to water. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a pan and heat that up on a medium gas. Throw in your chopped onions and let them cook for about 5 minutes. Add in your cumin, salt, bay leaves, pepper and ginger and let them all cook for about 5 to 10 minutes on a low to medium gas. Once you've seen that the onion started to cook and it's turning golden brown, we're going to throw in your rice, peas and your water. Turn the heat up, let that come to a boil. Throw in your fresh coriander and give it a good stir. Now turn the heat on low, cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes on a really low gas. Now you can't stir or lift the lid, you've got to trust the process, my friend. Oh, and if you like this video, hit that sub button. There you have it. How easy was that? None of the draining the rice after it's cooked nonsense. With this recipe, you just need to throw it all together, trust the process, and you get this beauty. So soft and fluffy, and it's full of flavour. The first time I made rice at my in-laws, I actually burnt the cumin, and I kept stirring the rice throughout, so it came out really sticky. I'm going to put it down to nerves at the time. Do you have any disaster rice stories? If so, let me know in the comments below so I know I'm not alone. Follow for more foolproof recipes to help you get by. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next one!